Hey guys, Flex and Release here. Pain does not start in isolation. Most people chase one tight muscle, one stretch at a time, but the body doesn't work that way. Pain usually shows up where movement has been missing the longest. If you travel a lot, sit a lot for work, or just haven't moved much in a while, their hips are normally the first place where motion disappears. Today, I'm going to show you a few simple movements to help restore mobility and reconnect your low body as a system. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be starting off with hip cars. This movement is especially important because it helps to restore rotation, joint awareness, as well as help the hips move independently instead of borrowing motion from the low back and knees. This is going to be especially important if you sit often or feel stiff whenever trying to get up from a chair. You're going to want to move slow, stay controlled, and own every part of the circle. Internal rotation is one of the first things we lose from sitting. This is one of the reasons that I love 90/90s. They help to bring that range back without forcing a stretch. If this feels challenging, that's totally normal. It's a sign that motion hasn't been used in a while. Control matters far more than depth. Side-to-side hip movement is often missing in daily life. Cossacks help to reintroduce lateral motion and help the hips feel more comfortable changing direction. Using support allows the hips to explore range without tension. Make sure you're staying relaxed and moving at your own pace. Rock backs help to teach the hip to hinge without the spine doing all the work. If your back always feels tight, it's often because the hips aren't sharing the load. This movement is going to help redistribute effort throughout the hips. Make sure that you move slow and let your breath guide you. Sitting limits the hip motion over time. The deep squat helps to reopen the hips while also involving the knees and ankles. You do not need perfect depth here. Comfort and control always come first. Mobility isn't about fixing something that's broken. It's about restoring motion where it's been missing. Start slow, stay consistent, and focus on control. Your body already knows how to move, it just needs the opportunity to do so.